excavators are shiano kwanso pa eko bush no. Say
welcome to a brand new episode of the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ghana, thank you so much for keeping the NDC on his toes, and then also for sticking to all the campaign promises they made you when they were campaigning. Why am I saying that? We are hearing say people are sending the excavators back to the forest, and I personally many say Ghanaians who are involved in Galamsey have seen say omaban aba na omaban aba nso no promises bia and I say boshe bia omaban ashamo no they are holding them to it. Why am I saying that? Mekaya NDC4, they always claimed said the people who are doing Galamsey, and I said the financiers of Galamsey are NPP people. They have kept that narrative on several occasions. We have tried to debunk that, but still they have managed to convince a lot of people say NPP for no mere Galamsey. And it's a River Akotombra and the rest, River Pra and the rest. I feel they are dating NPP for Moab Akufado Abahem. Omna now mu yes I omna now mu is champagne machines ni amanyama and tie ko chioko for bushma and what say en chiomu. And now the current president John Dramani Mahama, he promised amnesty to all Galamseyers who were arrested, prosecuted, and found guilty by competent courts of jurisdiction in our country. So, amnesty all the people. Then also, John Mahama, His Excellency, sent the person whom we know most definitely is going to be the CEO of the Mineral Commission, or Dr. Tony, to the bushes from 2020. Or catch you say, MPP are buying their own person or Munya Galamsey no. Now, Galamsey or Muyeno, and yes, she. That's also their source of income. And once say buying it on source of income from same. And omuko kotua bana omuntu abatia MPP. Now omuntu abatia MPP we are now Jane Mesambe announce the election no say, oh, John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, on a winner of the election pay or muni now munfa munyama no musanko to the bushes or munko nsonu so munko sense you. And that was the message Dr. Tony sent to the Galamseyers in the various pit. And this one came out in 2020. In the run-up to 2024 election, the same Dr. Tony Obabonti Veka say, now, same people for name, some message already called Galamsey areas, no, the way it helped NDC, and the way that made people vote for NDC, no. Omubeka say, Onjaya Asema Okika. And the 2024 elections, no, after Nababe yen more. I feel about campaigning more on the Galamsey issue. And them say NDC4 no, they don't issue empty threats. And the moment Dr. Tony came out to say, oh, he's going to do it more, no, him say he carried out his threat. And evidently, no, we can see now, as we are talking, that NDC has come out to power say, I think na Galamsey promas never be started. Now Galamsey promas never started, so no. I will ask His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. So muka say NDC4 MPP4 no muye Galamsey no. And MPP4 nyina muye Galamsey nyina no. Muma police for kochi omu nyina.
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama kwasi me ne wo kase ya no me nua bi sende me oye lawyer. Asende me ayise me musa honorable Bondi say omanpanyini John Dramani Mahama ojiri say obetimi to Galamsey ni so sana. And I'm going to say it's not even part of our topic. But let me tell you, let me be very honest. Me minchantro. Kwasi weekend na me free me kuma kwa say ba excavators are shiano kwanso pa eko bush no. Me say as if say Galamsey for na hu say omu die mo ba chale me chantro nyankopon e me dance ni excavators is sisi ayiso eko bush no senior opa kwase wo di asema maka kire wi opa you can open the phone lines na microphone friend excavators e wuram but you benya abotra the right time will come to that. You be making sure say yɛbɛ support aban na mana succeed yɛbɛ make sure say yɛbɛ hold aban accountable to the promises.
Na omuti omuwia na omuhwe prison and I say na muji omu machines free omu sema ye hwe say indeed no MPP for na omu ye Galamsey na say NDC for na omu ye Galamsey afi na yeba be hu. We are now coming to see the truth behind the faces that have been disturbing and spoiling our water bodies. You see, when issues arise, that we must all be united as a people, that we must come together and say, no, our water bodies are being destroyed. This is not right. This is not fair. That's just a segment of the Ghanaian people who feel say that is their livelihood, so they won't do it the right way. Meanwhile, the right way was there. Akufo-Addo had brought the community mining scheme for all these people to train them the right way. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, during the campaign message, or can say you want to bring geologists so that they'll go and see the earth, look at where there are gold deposits and go, so the people do the Galamsey the right way, or small scale mining the right way. When you know, gonna force your mumpe. And this before they were running the chorus. Say, oh, there be, and pin, sir. And they have gone to vote for the government that believes in Galamsey. And at this point in time, no, I am here personally to encourage everybody to read Galamsey. As we are told, the excavators are going back to the bushes. Yes, that is the right thing. Because that is the campaign promise. They should go back to the bushes, go back to the forest reserves. Go back there, go and do the Galamsey. That was a message NDC sold to you. And so you must hold them by their word. And we don't expect, say, now that they ran that message to you and you voted for them, we don't expect that they come and arrest anybody. No. The resources we have been told is for Ghana and it's for Ghanaians. That is what NDC told us. And so we were told, say, Akufo-Addo was very wicked, heartless for ensuring, say, our water bodies should be clean. And we know that Dr. Tony, the very person who ran this campaign for NDC, who ran this agenda for NDC, he might be the one to come back to Mineral Commission. And we live to see how he's going to talk about Galamsey once he becomes Mineral Commission boss again. That is what we are all waiting to see. So Ghanaians, go about it. Go back to the bushes. And recently, less than a week ago, they said there were some 7 guys who went to the Galamsey pit around 2 a.m. Now, I'm going to Galamsey pit around 2 a.m. based on the instructions of Dr. Tony. Because the Dr. Tony that told them, say, once Mahama is declared winner, once Mahama is sworn in, people can go back to their Galamsey. Until that 7th January, when they were swearing in John Dramani Mahama, 2 a.m., the guys also went to the bush, to the pit. And unfortunately for them, about 6 of them died because the pit crumpled in and fell on them. And they were only able to recover about 3 people, their bodies. The rest are missing, they cannot be found. They are dead, their families cannot even find their bodies to go and bury. But who is to blame? That is a reset Ghanaians voted for. That is what Ghanaians opted for. When they gave the chance to Ghanaians between life and death. Life was MPP, death was NDC. Ghanaians ran and embraced death. So death it is. Let us all sit down in this republic that is gradually becoming a banana republic, and let's see how things turn out. That is the reset you voted for. So Galamsey is back. That is the public announcement. Galamsey is back on the orders of Dr. Tony, who was sent by His Excellency the current President John Dramani Mahama. Galamsey is back. Thank you for watching this episode of the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye. See you in the next one. Cheers.